is. It's more than a pool. It's a really cool gift. And very honestly, we love handmade things. I like handmade clothing, you know, handmade, even some of our molding, our front doors handmade. And this whole pool is handmade. I mean, when I see Karen sitting there sculpting things and painting it, and then all the girls helping out, this is a handmade pool, and you really can't put a price on that. And it's really humbling that people spend those many hours just making something so perfect for you. So it's we couldn't be more thankful.